We will be covering two things: simultaneous equations and quadratics, a mixture, and the topic is solution of equations. So let's get started. As stone is thrown vertically upwards from the ground, so that the height above the ground after t seconds is this. So this is the height of the stone. Show that the values of t when the stone is 15 meters above the ground satisfies the given equation. So when it is 15 meters above the ground, let us write the equation. H equals 20t minus 5t square. Height is 15. So we just need to simplify the equation and make this form. So I'm taking 5t square on the other side, minus 20t plus 15 equals 0. Now you can take out 5 as common, and we are left with t minus 4t plus 3 is equals to 0. Divide 5 on the other side and you're left with the desired equation. T square t square minus 4t plus 3 is equals to 0. Second part says find the values of t when the stone is 15 meters above the ground. So we have already simplified the equation. So t square minus 4t plus 3 is equals to 0. Go for midterm breaking. T square minus 3t minus t plus 3 is equals to 0. When you add these two, you get minus 4. When you multiply these two, you get plus 3t square. So t, taking out common, t minus 3 minus 1, t minus 3 is equals to 0. T minus 1 into t minus 3 is equals to 0. In exam, you'll have more space than this. This is a scanned copy, is equals to 0, t is equals to 1, and the other value is t is equals to 3. So at time 1 second and 3 seconds, the stone is at a height of 15 meters from the ground. Find the value of t when the stone hits the ground. So when the stone will hit the ground, basically your height will be 0. So I'm taking this equation 20t minus 5t square and equating it with 0. So 5t common, this is 4 minus t is equals to 0. 5t is equals to 0. Firstly, time is 0, that is at start, and second, 4 minus t is equals to 0. T is equals to 4. So these are the two times. Find the value of t when the stone hits the ground. So when it comes back, that is 4. Solve the equation. 5 2 3 times is 6x, 2 into 1 positive 2 is equals to 2x plus 1 minus 6x. Taking 6x on the other side becomes 8x. 5 6 7 minus 1 6. So x is equals to 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Solving for t, cross multiply. 4 2 times is 8, 5 3 times is 15. T, make t the subject, 8 by 15. Simultaneous equations. There are two ways: substitution or elimination. You may do by either method you feel comfortable. So let's try with elimination. I'm trying to eliminate x, so I'll multiply the first equation with 2 and second equation with 5. Swap these constants in order to get both the same numbers. So 2 5 times is 10x minus 4y is equals to 32. 5 2 times is again 10x minus 15y is equals to 65. Now to get rid of this, I'm subtracting it. Subtracting would change all the signs. So 15 minus 4 is 11y, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 with a negative sign, and y is equals to minus 3. Now you may choose any of the equation and substitute the value of y. So 5x minus 2 into minus 3 is equals to 16. 5x plus 6 is equals to 16. 5x is equals to 10 and x is equals to 2. So x is 2 and y is minus 3. Solving the equation, cross multiply. 3 is equals to 2x minus 2, bringing 2 on this side. 5 is equals to 2x and x is equals to 5 by 2. 2 whole, 1 by 2, or fraction or decimal, all are acceptable. Given that p is equal to this, express t in terms of p and r. So I'm making t the subject of the formula. So p minus, that's minus r plus r, is equals to 2t. P plus r divided by 2 is equals to t, and this is t in terms of p and r. Simultaneous equation again. Now in this case, this is very easy. You just multiply this with 3 or directly negative 3, so you have opposite signs. So first equation is 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. Second is minus 3x minus minus plus 9y, and 17 times 3 is 7, 3 times 21, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 4, 5, 51, negative 51. Now add these two, get rid of this x, 9, 10, 11, and when we take away 7, 50 minus 6 is 44. So y is equals to 44 by 11, y is equals to 4. Now choose any of the equation to solve for x. I'm finding this a bit easy, is equals to 17 plus 3y. So 17 plus 3 into 4 is 17 plus 12, 9, 29. So x is 29 and y is 4. 5. Let's try this with substitution method. So y is already subject. Substitute y in this equation. X plus 2y equals 8. X plus 2, substitute y, that is x by 3 plus 9 is equals to 8. So x plus 2 by 3x plus 18 equals 8. Take LCM of these two, 3x plus 2x, take 18 on the other side. So 8 minus 18, 3 plus 2 is 5x by 3 equals minus 10. 5x is equals to minus 10 into 3. X is equals to minus 30 by 5. So x is equals to minus 6. Substitute in the next equation to find y. So minus 2, 9, y is 7, y 7, x minus 6. Question number 6. Make x the subject of the formula. Y, x is added on the other side, so subtract it on this side, is equals to 2x square. Divide by 2 is equals to x square. Square root both sides, x is equals to y minus 3 by 2 whole square root. Simultaneous equations again, and I'll try this again with substitution. So 3y is equals to 2x, y is equals to 2 by 3x. Substitute in the other equation, which is x plus 2y is equals to 21. So we have this y right here, 2 into 2 by 3 of x is equals to 21. X plus 4 by 3x equals 21. Take the LCM, 3x plus 4x is equals to 21. 3 and 4 is 7x is equals to 21 into 3. X equals 21 into 3 by 7. 7 1 time, 7 3 times, 3 3 times is 9. So x is 9. 3y is equals to 2x. Substitute the value of x. 2 into 9. Y is equals to 2 into 9 by 3. 3 1 times, 3 3 times. So y is equals to 6. Y is 6 and x is 9. Solve the inequalities. Make x the subject first. 3x plus 5x is greater than equal to 2. So 8x is greater than equal to 2. X is greater than equal to 2 by 8, resulting as 1 by 4. Taking the LCM, x plus 1 into x minus 1, then we cross multiply 5x into x minus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 equals 8. In the numerator, 5x into x is 5x square minus 5x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus plus 2, and denominator is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Keep simplifying. 5x square, 5 2 minus 7x minus 2, and multiply this on the other side is 8x squared minus 8. Now rearrange. 8x square was already there. Take this 5x square on the other side is minus 5x square. Take this on the other side is plus 7x. Minus 8 is already there. Bringing this 2 on the other side is positive 2. So 8 minus 5 is 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equals to 0. So 3 6 times is 18, and 9 and 2 also make 18. So let's adjust them. X square plus 9x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Adding these two we get 7. Multiplying these two we get negative 18. So these are correct. X plus 3 minus 2, x plus 3, another point of satisfaction, both brackets are same. So 3x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. Again, in the exam you will have greater space. This is just a scanned copy, so space is a bit compact. So first bracket 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Second bracket x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and minus 3. Question number 9. Simplification. 10, 3, 2 times 6, 3 into 1 is 3 is equals to 3x plus 1. Rearrange. 10 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 3x plus x. 10 plus c 13 minus 1 is 12 is equals to 9x. 12 by 9 is equals to x. So x becomes, simplifying 3 times, 3 4 times, x is 4 by 3. Another pair of simultaneous equations. If we just multiply the second equation with minus 2, so first is 4x plus 3y is equals to 11. This is elimination. So minus 4x plus 10y is equals to minus 50. Add these equations. This is 13y, 50 minus 10 is 40, minus 1 is minus 39, y is equals to minus 39 by 13, y is equals to minus 3. When you have one value, substitute this in any of the equations. So 2x minus 5y is equals to 25. 2x is equals, minus 5 into minus 3 is equals to 25. 2x plus 15. 2x is equals to 25 minus 15. 2x is equals to 10. X is equals to 5. So x is 5 and y is minus 3. The diagram shows a rectangle with length 2x plus 3 and width x minus 1. The area of the rectangle is 12 centimeters square. Okay, this is the rectangle. Length and width is given. Area is 12. Form an equation in x and show that it reduces to this. So we are given with this hint that area is equals to length into breadth. Area is 12. Length is 2x plus 3, breadth is x minus 1. So multiply them and rearrange. 2 into x is 2x square minus 2x. 3 into x is 3x and minus 3. So 2x squared plus x minus 3 and minus 12 will make it minus 15 shown. Solve the equation. So it is midterm breaking. 2 into 15 is 30 and 6 into 5 is 30. So 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15 is equals to 0. 2x common.
x plus 3 minus 5 common, x plus 3 another point of satisfaction, both the brackets are same, so 2x minus 5 into x plus 3. First factor equals to 0, second factor is equals to 0, so x is minus 3 and x is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and minus 3. Find the perimeter. So for the perimeter, we know that perimeter is 2 length plus breadth. X cannot be negative because it is in this length. So negative 3, negative 1 definitely won't be the answer. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. 2x plus 3 plus x minus 1. So simplify them first. 2 plus this is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So finally 6x plus 4. Substitute the value of x. That is 5 by 2. 6 into 5 by 2 plus 4 to 1 times 2. 3 times 3. 5 times 15 plus 4 equals to 19. Another pair of simultaneous equations. Again, that's the easy one. Multiply this with negative 2. First equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Negative 2x, negative 8y is equals to positive 30. Add these two, get rid of this. Minus 5y is equals to 30. Y is equals to 30 by minus 5. Y is equals to minus 6. Substitute in any of the equations. Let's consider this. Minus 15 minus 4y. So minus 15 minus 4 into minus 6. Minus 15, 6 4 times is 24. 5 and 4, 9. So x is 9 and y is minus 6. Factorize. Okay. Now see, there's nothing you can take in common, so use the algebraic formula a square minus b square. So I'll rearrange the shape and make it look like that, which is a plus b times a minus b. A plus b times a minus b. This is the algebraic formula we used, and write your answers in the answer space. Solve the equation. 2 into 15 is 30 and 30 and 1 would make 29. So 2y square plus 30y minus y minus 15 is equals to 0. Taking out common from the first two, y plus 15 minus 1, y plus 15 is equals to 0. 2y minus 1, y plus 15 is equals to 0. First factor equals to 0, y is equals to 1 by 2. Second factor equals to 0, y is equals to minus 15. 1 by 2 and minus 15. Let's try a few more questions. Okay, let's eliminate these x. Multiply this with 2 and this with 3 to get the same numbers. So 2 3 times is 6x plus 10y is equals to 0. 3 2 times is 6x minus 9y is equals to 20 into 3 is 60, 57. Now subtract them and change the signs. Get rid of the 6. This is 19. Y is equals to 57. Y is equal to 57 by 19. 19 1 times. 19 3 times. So y is equals to 3. Next would be to find the value of x. Use any of these equations. So 2x minus 3 into 3 is equals to 19. 2x minus 9 is equals to 19. 2x is equals to 19 plus 9 equals 28. X is equals to 14. So x is 14 and y is 3. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.